Everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So, researchers discovered something that I think we all kind of already knew, but they actually were able to substantiate it with studies and their own investigation. So they surveyed 201 United States citizens on April 3rd, 2020, regarding their thoughts and feelings and behaviors regarding the COVID pandemic. They also assessed participants' level of entitlement by submitting them to a line of questioning. So participants were assessed on the degree to which they agreed with statements such as, quote, "I honestly feel I'm just more deserving than others," and, quote, "people like me deserve an extra break now and then." At the completion of this project, the researchers said, quote, "As we predicted, people higher in psychological entitlement reported less compliance with the COVID-19 health guidelines than people lower in psychological entitlement. For example, people higher in psychological entitlement were more likely to report that they would still attend parties if they felt like it, and that they were not engaging in social distancing, making efforts to wash their hands more, or even simply following rules put in place by their state. Researchers also found that study participants who ranked higher in entitlement were more likely to report that they had already contracted the coronavirus. And then they conducted a second survey on May 1st because they wanted to see, was this a fluke? Are we going to get the same kind of results? This second study included 502 study participants. Once again, findings were exactly the same. People who have a sense of entitlement are less likely to follow COVID guidelines. So researchers then tried a third study in which they tried to appeal to participants by saying that they would be viewed more favorably, in social circles by complying with COVID safety guidelines, and they would be viewed less favorably by not following the guidelines. What they found was that those who were more entitled or who held a more entitled psychological viewpoint were less likely to follow the COVID guidelines when they were told that. They were almost like spoiled brat children, defiant children who just stomped their feet. But the people who didn't have a sense of entitlement were more likely to follow the guidelines once they were told that. So overall, these people are entitled assholes, as we assumed, as we knew, and they just don't give a damn about anybody but themselves, and they think that they should be treated special because they think they're special. So, yeah, again, nothing we didn't already know, but now it's been proven. All right, guys. As always, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and listening. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks for listening to Plants and Politics. The only way we can take our country and power back is to spread the truth and build an army. So remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share on Facebook, YouTube, and wherever you listen to your podcasts. Thanks again.